This video will demonstrate the recommended process for changing the belt on your Dorner 2200 series belted mid-drive conveyor. To change the conveyor belt, locate the tension end of the conveyor, identified with this label. To collapse the head plate assembly, loosen and move the cam tracking assemblies away from the head plates. Loosen the fastening screws and push the head plate assembly inward. Next, remove 2 screws from the bottom of the mid-drive assembly. Lower and remove the mid-drive module. Before removing the mounting brackets, place temporary support stands at both ends of the conveyor as needed. Then remove all mounting brackets from one side of the conveyor. Remove the old conveyor belt and replace with the new belt. Replace the mounting brackets. Reinstall the mid-drive module and fasten screws. Next, rotate the pinion gear to adjust the head plate assembly. The end of the conveyor frame should be aligned with or between the head plate tensioning marks. Then, tighten the fastening screws. With the cam indicator notch horizontal, position the cam tracking assemblies against the head plate and tighten. If needed, loosen the head plate screws and adjust the tracking cam to track the belt. Then retighten the fastening screws. For more information on these steps, please refer to your manual.